How to fix touchscreen not working after iOS 16. So go to your phone settings, find accessibility, and in here, tap on touch. Go to touch accommodations, turn this on, and under tap assistance, select use initial touch location, tap OK, scroll down and tap swipe gestures, and turn this on. Under required moment, click on standard. Now, if the touch screen is still not working, try to restart your iPhone. So press the volume up and press the side button until the phone restarts. After this, if the touch screen is still not working, you have to restart your settings. So go to Settings app, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset All Settings, enter your PIN, tap Reset All Settings, and tap on it again to confirm the process. If all of these steps didn't work, just downgrade your iOS 16 to iOS 15 and your touch screen should now work. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.